This video is sponsored by Asyncer Screen Grabber Pro. Hey, what's up guys, Ashraf is here, and everyone's wishes to have a screen recorder which should fulfill their requirements. So here is what I came up with, a simple solution, and the solution is a software from Asyncer known as the Screen Grabber Pro. It is a tool which allows you to record everything that happens on your screen. So let's go to the review. So on the review part we have that it can record anything on your computer screen. It doesn't mean that it can't record other softwares, or that it can record everything on your computer screen. It can record the screen and the audio simultaneously, and you can even screencast with the built-in editor, and you can even share the screenshots, and you can automatically schedule your recording of your screen. And the pricing is of approximately $30. You can buy by clicking on here, or you can try it here. I will give the direct link for the website in the description. From there you can come here. So let's go down to the main function. So it can record anything on your screen, as I said on the review part. So even you can create a scheduled task for recording. It means that at which time to start your recording and which time to start. And basically this is a very good feature in this software. And the best part I loved is that having a built-in editor. It contains a built-in editor which allows you to record and edit all the stuff what you have recorded on the screen. So it's very good, quite feature. And moving on to the other part, you can even screenshot your products and you can do the screen cache. So the link will be in the description below. From there you can come here and you can once check up here. So let's get on to the basic overview how this software looks like. So let's go there. So this is what the software overview looks like. It's very decent and minimalistic. So on the first tab you contains this part where you can see the first option is region, means it can eventually record some part of your screen, or you can say that a region where you have to only record the screen. Even it can record the full screen as I'm now doing, and you can record even around the mouse. It's have very accept ratios. You can record even the sides of mouse, and you can record your web camera using the software, or you can only audio, means if you want to record some audio file from that you can even record that. Moving on to the another thing, you have audio input. You can even do the audio output or input. From this you can have the system sound, microphone, both system sound and microphone. You can eventually or simultaneously record the system sound and microphone at the once. Moving on to the other, you have the screenshot. As I said, you can make a screenshot or you can capture a screenshot by using this. Moving on to the other thing, you have the upload feature, means after recording your screen you can eventually directly upload it to your YouTube channel, or you can to the FTP. Moving on to the other, you have the settings. So let's go on to the settings and options. Now we will head on to the general. It has some good features like when the Windows startup, you can eventually run this software. You can remind option, minimize to tray, and include cursor and capture, which are not found in other some screen recorders. So you have shortcuts and hotkeys for using the best way for your software. You can have the folder selection or the directory output where you can save your recorded file. So let's move on to the recording feature. You have some show countdowns. It will show a countdown before the video starts, and beep sound. There are many features, you can go on with that. Now let's go on to the main thing. You can even record the videos in many formats. They have provided with WMV, AVI, MOV, FLV. There are many outputs in which you can record your video. You have the mouse style option. You can change the color of the mouse cursor so that it as per your requirement. Now we have the audio input. So you can eventually select the audio device from where you can have to capture the audio on from the microphone, or you have this feature is like how should be your audio quality. It should have standard, high, best, like that. So that's very good features in this screen recorder. Now moving on to the advanced video settings. In this you have the main of the screen recording options, in which format you have to record the video of screen recording, and the codec version. Now the bitrate, and the main thing I have loved this in this software is you can record the screen records at 60 fps, means you can record the videos at 60 fps, which has been not found in the previous screen recorder. So you have the more in which you can give the priority for performance, smoothness and various of that. So that's for the settings. So now the help where you can find the tutorial how to run and some other stuff. So moving on to the next thing, this bar which you can see down. So it is very quite minimalistic look or the small look, can say that. Here we have the pause button, here is the stop button, here we have the audio output and the webcam. Now the best feature for this, you have the inbuilt editor. As I said, you can eventually draw by showing like this. You have to click here for something other stuff, you have to just show your viewers. So that's quite easy for all the viewers to show these parts are easy. By you have the arrows and you can easily freely draw or you can type the letters. So that's quite easy for all the viewers, you can see that. So to identify the problem or anything just you want to make them to detect. And the another feature is that I have used some previous screen recorders which lags my computer or PC while recording, but this software doesn't lags. So you can see that it don't have any lagging problem in this. So that's pretty much for this video, guys. Hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, then smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.